Okay. After a couple minutes of MFing that everything or some stuff. Okay, new and old. Oh, why were you MFing? Look at the pump. Look at the head. Way bigger. This pump is designed to fit this thing. This here. So I am thinking this lip ledge, the keep they use, it's gonna have to go. It's gonna have to go. So it's gonna be a cut right about here. Yeah, there's no directions on that one. Yeah. So, although maybe let me read them again. I didn't see anything about having to modify this. It was supposed to be a drop-in, but you could see the head is the pickup head is way different, way larger. The body looks about the same diameter, but it's definitely shorter. And from the looks of it, that looks about the same as that. It's just, how is it gonna stay? Well, there's nothing, let's say, I don't even know. Maybe I could zip tie it? Or it's just held in place by the bottom, the cup on the tank. I don't know. I'll get to that point and then we'll figure everything else from there.